Good morning. I wanted to give you a little demonstration on an easy way to move your files from your H drive to your Google Drive. First thing I'm going to do is open up a window in the File Explorer so that I can find my H drive. Here's my H drive right here. And then I'm going to drag straight into Google Drive file stream since I have that installed. If you don't have Google Drive file stream installed, you're going to just open up a Chrome window and open up your Google Drive and drag directly into Google Drive. So I'm going to go up here and I'm going to right click on Google Drive file stream and say open this in a new window. That way I can put the windows side by side, and all I have to do is drag straight from my H drive over to my Google Drive in the Google Drive file stream. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure, you notice in my Google Drive I have all these folders already. I'm going to scroll down so that I don't see folders, I only see single files, because I don't want to drag from here on top of a folder in my Google Drive, because if I do that, then it'll put whatever I drag from my H drive in that folder, and I may not be able to find where it is. Okay, so if I want to copy more than one thing at a time, all I have to do is drag and highlight what I want to copy. If you're going to copy folders over, I would only do a couple at a time, depending on how big the files are, how much is in them. But I'm just going to highlight and I'm going to drag straight over to this second window, and it's going to tell me that it's copying it. Now, I have some of these things are already there, so that's why it says, do you want to replace? So that's copying those two folders. And then I'm going to go back over here and I'm going to select these last files. And I'm going to scroll down to those single files again. And I'm going to drag those over. Yes, some of those are already there. And there, it's going to copy those files. And once you get everything moved from your H drive over to your Google Drive, or your Google Drive files through your Google Drive file stream, or straight to Google Drive, then you can delete the files that you have in your H drive. As always, if you have any questions or any problems, you can give us a call in the IT office and we can come give you a hand.